Hey there, today we're going to make meatballs for our spaghetti. These meatballs, you can make 2 or 3 dishes out of them. So you know I usually make a big batch. So let's get started. I've got 2 pounds of hamburger meat here in my bowl. And I'm going to start off with 1½ of Italian breadcrumbs. I've got 1 egg beaten, I'll add that. I have a medium onion finely chopped. Next, I'll add 1/2 cup of tomato sauce. Then add about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of basil. I'm going to put in 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and get your hands dirty and mix this by hand. Preheat oven to 350. These meatballs are great for many dishes. They can even be used as appetizers. I have a cookie sheet here with a little oil on it. Once the mixture is mixed well, we can start making our meatballs. I usually make mine about medium size. You can make these bigger or smaller, but this is the size I usually make. Some people will cook these in a skillet, but I found these to be easier to bake on a cookie sheet. These freeze well after you cook them. You can later defrost them and use them as a meal you're cooking. This usually makes around 28 to 30 meatballs, and if you want to be precise on the measurements, you can always use a cookie scoop. I'm going to cook these in the oven at 350 for about 20-25 minutes. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.